A very warm greetings to all. So today we will study chapter number 7, that is computer networks. So first of all we will see the topics which we are going to study today. So first of all we will see the introduction to computer networks, that what are the computer networks. Then we will see what are the types of computer network, and finally we will see using computer networks in different areas in our surrounding. Coming to our first topic, that is what is a computer network. So a computer network, also referred to as data network, which is a series of interconnected nodes that can transmit, receive and exchange data, voice and video traffic. Computer networks commonly help endpoint users to share resources and communicate. These network devices use a system of rules called communication protocols to transmit information over physical or wireless technologies. Coming to our next topic, that is computer network. Under this we will study about different types of computer network. So first we have server computer. So it is an exceptionally powerful computer dedicated to sharing files and programs to other individual computers on a network, also known as clients. For example, a computer dedicated to a database may be called a database server. File servers manage large collection of files, web servers, process web pages and web applications, etc. Servers have capacities to manage all network resources, contain all shared files and programs on the computer. Coming to our next type, that is workstation or client computers. So they are computers which depend on server computers for files, programs and resources in a network. Some workstations may contain special hardware parts not found on a normal personal computer. Now we will see some components. So hardware components used in a computer networking. We have so many, we will see some of them only. So first we have an IC, which full form is network interface card. Secondly we have transmission media. Third, unguided media. Fourth, bridge. Fifth, hub. Sixth, switch. Seventh, modem, modulator and demodulator. And 8th we have router. Now we will see the network topologies. First of all we will see what is the meaning of network topologies. So network topology refers to the manner in which the elements of a network such as nodes, connection lines, etc. are arranged. This arrangement can be either a physical or logical layout of the network. First we have physical topology, which focuses on physical layout of the network. Then we have logical topology, which focuses on the pattern of data transfer between the nodes in a network. So our next topic is some factor which is used to consider in choosing the best network topologies. So we will see them line by line. First of all, we will have cost. If the topology is expensive, we will not going to buy that. We will just prefer the low cost topology over the expensive one. Secondly, ease of installations. We will see the installation comfortability for using the topology. Third, scalability. Fourth, flexibility, which a topology will provide. Then reliability, how much topology is reliable, we will see this also. And lastly, ease of maintenance. Coming to our next topic, that is types of network topologies. So there are total 5 topology. We will study it in brief. First we have star topology, second ring topology, third tree topology, fourth bus topology and the last mesh topology. So coming to the star topology, so it is a type of network arrangement where all the nodes or clients are connected to the central device by using drop cables or short cables. The central device can be a hub or repeater, switch or bridge, router or gateway. Coming to the next one, so the next is ring topology. So it is a network setup in which the nodes are connected to form a circular data path. In a ring network topology, one device on the network is linked to 2 other devices. So data packet travels from node to node until it reaches its destination node. There is no need for a central node, as it is in the case with star topology. So now we will see some types of ring topology. So it have unidirectional ring topology and second one is bidirectional ring topology. Now coming to the tree topology, it is also known as hierarchical topology, which uses the concept of parent-child relationship. The structure of this topology unites the star and bus topologies and inherits their benefits and limitations. This topology splits networks into three layers as core layer, distribution layer, and lastly access layer. Now we have bus topology. So it is also known as line topology, which is a type of computer network which depicts the connection of all the nodes to the communication channel. This channel is known as backbone. These nodes are connected to the backbone through short cables or drop cables. A backbone is ended up with terminators, also called absorbers. Now coming to our last topology, which is mesh topology. So it is a network of nodes and cables. It is a network structure where all the nodes are connected to each other using separate cables and creating a point-to-point connection among them. Direct data transmission from source node to destination results in high data transmission rate. So now coming to our next topic, that is types of computer network. So there are different types of networks. On the basis of geographical locations, computer networks can be grouped as follows. First one, we have PAN, which is known as Personal Area Network. It is in this, the computing devices are connected to each other within a range of 10 meter. Its range is short as 10 meter. So this interconnection may occur among devices which include computers, modem, telephone, printer, PDAs, and another peripheral devices. This type of connection can be wired and wireless. Secondly, we have LAN, which is known as Local Area Network. Two or more computers are connected to each other within a limited area, which is usually then 1 kilometer, less than 1 kilometer. So these interconnected devices can be placed within a single building or two close buildings. It is usually set up in offices, school, colleges, or universities. Users of these devices can get access to centralized database and share data, resources, and files with each other. Third, we have WLAN, which full form is Wireless Local Area Network. So this is a type of local area network which uses only wireless medium to communicate. Unlike a traditional wired LAN, where all computers and devices are connected through Ethernet cables, the devices on wireless LAN are connected through Wi-Fi. This totally eliminates the use of cables as a communication medium. It is the best medium in connecting small devices like smartphone, iPad, tablet, or even laptop to the network wirelessly, which can be easily accessible anywhere within the range. Then we have MAN. Its full form is Metropolitan Area Network. In this, the computers and devices are connected across a geographical region larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. This connection usually covers an entire town or city. This type of network is usually owned by a single organization or government agency. Fifth, we have WAN, which is Wide Area Network. So it is a type of network where the computers are connected over a large geographical distance. It usually covers a number of cities, regions, an entire country, or even across different parts of the world. Sixth, we have internet. As you all are seeing this video, you are using internet for watching it. So we will study about in brief. So internet is a group of networks connected globally to share information. The internet is therefore made up of LANs, MANs, and WANs. It originated in 1969, then known as the ARPANET. ARPANET is the first name of the internet, which means Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It was originally designed for use by the American military services. Now coming to the last topic, that is using computer networks in different areas. So we use these kinds of computer networks in our school, as you have seen in your school also. While using the computer in computer lab, there is the use of computer networks. Then is business also. In business also we use this computer network. Then in health, like in hospital, we use it. And lastly, at home, we have desktop or our personal computer on which we use these kinds of network. So coming to the homework, you have to revise the chapter which we have studied today. Thanks to all of you. I'll meet you soon in the next lecture.